Hello everyone, in this video I explain how to simply solve the erase process failure on a micro SD card with an adapter on iOS. So to erase a micro SD card, which is this one with no title, we click here erase, we can give it the title and the format and we press erase, and here you see the erase process has failed, so we need to click done to continue. So how can we solve that problem? For that we just extract our micro SD card from the computer. Just watch that. So this is the micro SD card with its adapter, and as you can see here we have a gray switch, and this switch is now on the right side, which is the locked state. And to unlock it, we need to put it on to the left side. So with that, we should solve the problem. Just like that. Now the micro SD card is switched on the unlocked state, and when we want to erase it now, we can just do that, erase, just the same thing as before. And as you can see now, it's working. We can erase the micro SD card. And now it's done. We have it over here. And voila. So if this helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.